Hi y'all, so today I'm gonna do an unboxing. I'm gonna box Octoly's product they sent me. This I chose, so whenever you use Octoly you can choose the product that you want, and then the brand reviews your message that you send them or your social media, and they accept you. Sometimes they don't, but this brand accepted me pretty quickly. I was surprised. Anyways, this is from the brand Love Kinship. It's a skincare brand, so this was a pretty cool product because it's like a 3-in-1 product. So I was like, I'm gonna have to try this, but mainly because it's the sunscreen and I need a new sunscreen, because that's what the esthetician told me to use, sunscreen and vitamin C serum. So I was like, might as well just use this sunscreen for now. So yeah, let me open the box. And yeah, look at these cool gel pouches Marie sent me. I'm using the Sapphire Wave color. And look, it looks cool. It has glitters, like pink, yellow, iridescent shimmers. It's very nice. And it smells good. Usually these eye gels don't smell as great or smell like nothing, but this one, it has a smell to it, like perfumey, but it's not making my skin react, which is nice. Anyways, I already did a kind of short video using these, so now I'm gonna unbox this and see. Okay, everything fell. So this is how it looks. I see my face. Let me hide that. Oh, it looks holographic. It's pretty, and it's a squeezy too. Everything's cool and pink. So let me open it. Oh, there's a safety cap, but this is rose scented. I'm assuming because it says self-reflect rose moisturizing sunscreen right here, and I think it's pink. Wait, pink. Pink. So that's cool. Which, yeah, it's pink. Let me just swatch it here. It is pink with no. It looks like foundation or BB cream. But it kind of does smell like rose and chemically, or like something. But it feels soft. Let me show you. Okay. But it blends white, or maybe it blends to my skin tone and it's not. It smells pretty strong. I don't like it this time. I don't know how my skin is gonna react. So far it's not making my hand react, but in my skin it reacts differently. It's more sensitive. So far, first impression, I don't like the smell, but I think you can use this as a primer, makeup primer as well. Where did I read it? And like a moisturizer and a sunscreen. I think that's why I got it. So let me see. It doesn't say here, but I remember in the product where the details say, and the Octoly platform. I don't forget now. Let me see. But it says it's nice for blemish prone skin, which is me. I have like a pimple. It's healing. The eczema is healing. It took days, so I barely starting to be able to use new skincare products because of it. So we'll see how this reacts to my skin. Oh my gosh, this doesn't say primer here. I'm trying to look for it to show you. Maybe I'll have to put a picture. I don't know, maybe I'm tripping. But it's basically mainly sunscreen, and it's SPF 32, which is cool. It's pretty nice because the one that I normally use I love, to be honest, but I need a new one. Where is it? Let me find it. Yeah, I can't find my sunscreen. I can't find it. I don't know where it is. I usually put my skincare stash here in this box, but I don't find it. Maybe I lost. Good thing I have this one now. But yeah, that one is the Neutrogena baby skin one. It's for babies, but I still use it, and it works nice if you have sensitive skin. It does leave a white cast. I don't know if this one will. I don't think it does. It didn't leave it a white cast, which is amazing. So that's pretty cool. And I also like that this is a clean, cruelty-free, vegan, plant-based brand. So yeah, I don't know the original price, so I'll put it here, but it's a great brand. I think I've seen them on Instagram. So yeah, I'll probably do a review maybe in the future, so I'm gonna try and use this. So yeah, okay, yeah, bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.